Handheld POS offers proven, bottom-line benefits to restaurants and other food service establishments, from faster table turns and higher check averages to lower labor costs and fewer comped meals due to server error. In theory, servers can also earn larger tips when using handheld POS. But most handheld systems rely on the same touch-button software that runs on the POS workstations located in the back of a restaurant. Software not originally intended for use at tableside, that's hard to operate with speaking with customers and can give the impression that you're ringing up sales before customers have even been served. The Ride-On Handheld for the iPod Touch is the one and only handheld POS system specifically designed to enhance customer service at tableside. The user interface of the iPod Touch makes the Ride-On particularly intuitive and easy to use. Servers can give their full attention to customers instead of hunting and pecking through screen after screen of menu buttons. The Ride-On also provides lots of prompts that assist servers in answering questions and upselling extras. The Ride-On Handheld offers different ordering modes, so each server can use the one that feels most comfortable. Many servers choose to type menu abbreviations using the iPod keyboard, while others prefer the drill-down approach of groups mode. As you'll see in a moment, servers can easily switch between modes as the situation dictates. So let's imagine that two customers have been seated at table 4 and are ready for us to take their order. We'll start in keyboard mode using the simple menu abbreviations shown here, where Diet Coke is D, C, Bass Ale is B, A, and so forth. The main screen of the Ride-On app is called the Ready Pad because it's immediately ready for order entry. This means we can start typing the order without getting prompted for details like server ID or table number. So let's start by typing D, C for Diet Coke. As you can see, items with this abbreviation now appear here in the selection window. And as soon as we tap an item in the selection window, it gets added here to the order detail area. Let's do that again to order a Bass Ale. We start by typing B, A for Bass Ale, and then tap the item in the selection window to add it here to the order detail area. Although we're not yet done taking the order at table 4, let's get our bartender working on these drinks. Sending drink orders right from tableside allows us to serve drinks more quickly and often means customers are ready for a second round when their food is served, an important factor in boosting check averages and tips. After tapping this send button here, we're prompted first for table number, in this case, table number 4, and then for customer count, in this case, 2. Then we're quickly back at the Ready Pad and can keep going with the rest of the order for table 4. But first, let's try ordering drinks in groups mode. This button here allows us to toggle back and forth between keyboard mode and groups mode. As you can see, in groups mode, the keyboard is replaced with 2 windows, one that allows you to scroll through a list of menu groups, and the other that allows you to scroll through a list of modifier groups. Groups mode helps improve service when customers ask questions about the menu, such as, "What are your specials today?" or "What kinds of beer do you have?" To view a beer menu, for instance, scroll through the menu groups to find bottled beer. Tap the menu group and then read all the beers that appear in the selection window. As in keyboard mode, we simply tap an item or 2 to build the order. To order a crab dip appetizer in groups mode, we must first locate appetizers on the list of menu groups, and then scroll through and tap the crab dip item itself in the selection window to add it to the order. To order a filet mignon in groups mode, we must first locate entrees on the list of menu groups. On the other hand, if we tap this keyboard button over here and switch back to keyboard mode, we may simply type the abbreviation FM for filet mignon to order this item without having to worry about what menu group it might be in. Our filet mignon is one of many menu items that have been configured to automatically prompt for cooking temperatures and side dishes. Gone are the days when servers must waste precious time to return to the table and ask about the salad dressing they forgot the first time round. More importantly, fewer meals must be comped to keep customers happy when their food has been prepared incorrectly. Force modifiers can also be used for upselling items that boost check averages. For instance, if a customer asks for a Caesar salad, abbreviated CS, the system is going to prompt us to upsell items such as grilled chicken or steak, which will add to the check total and lead to larger tips for servers. Now let's send this order to the kitchen. Appending the drink order that we already opened on table 4, so we can return to the Ready Pad and take a quick look at printing and settling checks. Both functions can be launched by tapping the Tables button here at the bottom of the Ready Pad. Simply select the table that you wish to work with and then tap the Actions button here at the base of the screen. Let's select Settlement and actually imagine that our iPod Touch is fitted with the Mag Stripe reader. From this settlement screen, we can now swipe a credit card right at tableside. Using the Right-On Handheld as a pay-at-the-table device offers striking bottom-line benefits, from faster table turns, improved service, and again, larger tips for servers. Tableside payment processing also prevents skimming and other types of credit card fraud. To find out more about the Right-On Handheld and how it can improve the bottom line at your restaurant, call 1-800-356-6037 or visit us online at www.rightonhandheld.com.